but it's important to note that sheet masks do not cleanse or exfoliate your skin. Instead, think of sheet masks as a super effective serum application method. There's a reason why sheet masks are so effective at providing your skin with crucial vitamins and hydration. The mask paper actually seals your skin so that moisture and nutrients can't escape, allowing all the beneficial molecules to sink deep into your skin. Their roots in ancient Japan. It's thought that geishas would dip the scraps of leftover silk in rose water and place them over their faces. So sheet masks have been part of the geisha skincare routine for centuries. Nowadays, sheet masks are a bit more sophisticated, with actual science behind the ingredients. They are also mostly associated with a Korean skincare routine, as many of the most popular brands of sheet masks are made by South Korean.